What kind of leader do you want to be 5 years from now? And what will it take for you to get there without losing yourself along the way? My name is Dr. Tracy Asamoah, and I am a child and adolescent psychiatrist and leadership coach. And in addition to my own leadership roles, I've had the pleasure of coaching phenomenal leaders just like yourself. And what I've learned is that even though we often excel at skills such as problem solving, identifying issues, managing crises, few of us have had the opportunity to learn to develop into leaders that are thriving. I've coached lots of leaders who excel at leadership competencies. They understand finances and the organization of healthcare as a business, but they feel like they're just barely treading water. What if we could move past the typical leadership competencies and lead from a place that is purpose driven and based in our values and what helps us to truly grow and thrive? In my talk, we're going to explore beyond the checklists of leadership competencies, beyond performance evaluations, to the inner work that shows how leadership is actually internal and sustainable and deeply human. So if you're ready to move beyond where you are now and stretch yourself into truly thriving leadership, join me for my talk. Thank you.